Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about ocean currents. An ocean current is a continuous movement of ocean water from one place to another. Ocean currents are created by wind, water, temperature, salt content, and the gravity of the moon. You might not know this, but some winds blow across the ocean in the same direction all year round. The current's direction and speed depend on the shoreline and the ocean floor. They can flow for thousands of miles and are found in all the major oceans of the world. Surface currents are currents that are found on the surface of the ocean water, usually found in the upper 1,300 feet of water. The waves that you see crash into the shore at the beach are surface currents. If you look closely, you'll see that the currents actually move in large, circular patterns called gyres, and each gyre is bordered by one or more continents. Currents are also influenced by the rotation of the Earth called the Coriolis effect. This causes currents to flow clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. Ocean currents can have a significant impact on climate. In some areas, warm water is moved from the equator to a colder region, causing the region to be warmer. If you look at a map, you'll see that Paris, France is at about the same latitude as Montreal, Canada. But winters in Paris are much nicer than winters in Montreal. One example of this is the Gulf Stream current. It pulls warm water from the equator to the coast of Western Europe. As a result, areas such as the United Kingdom are typically much warmer than areas at the same northern latitude in North America. In the North Atlantic Ocean, the Gulf Stream radiates heat into the atmosphere. That's why the winters are warmer in France. Ben Franklin published a map of the Gulf Stream in 1769. Ocean currents can make for colder climates too. Hawaii is located in the tropics, but its climate is slightly cooler than other tropical locations since the California current brings cool water south. In the North Atlantic, the warm waters of the Gulf Stream radiate heat into the atmosphere. This loss of energy causes the water to cool off until it's almost freezing. Cold water is denser than warm water, so the surface water soon begins sinking. Millions of liters of water sink in the North Atlantic Ocean every day, but they can't just pile up there, they have to flow somewhere else. So when the cold water gets 2 to 3 kilometers down, it starts moving south. It flows all the way to Antarctica, then starts flowing north again. In the Pacific Ocean, the water starts warming up and returns to the surface. It flows back into the Atlantic Ocean, where it joins up once again with the Gulf Stream. And once the Gulf Stream waters reach the North Atlantic, they lose heat and sink as the whole process starts over again. Because this current system loops all the way around the globe, it's sometimes called the global conveyor belt. The belt moves very slowly. It can take 1,000 years for water to make the full circuit around the Earth. Thanks for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous kids!
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous kids!
Adventurous Kids!